Dear Lord, I pray for a woman that I can love, cherish the rest of my life. I pray that you bless me with a strong woman that I can grow with, have a family with, and to love the rest of my life.
May your troubles be less, your blessings be more, nothing but happiness come through your door.
Chase, I remember the day I asked for your number. I was terrified, but I was also a little bit brave. I took a chance on the unknown, and look where it brought us. If I had to put words to our love, you already know it would be endless and it would be fierce, because it is. And it would be all the things I dreamt it would be. The one where I found my prince and you treat me like a princess. My dad always told me to find that one. And here you are, before me, on the day I finally get to call you my husband.
Heartbeat in the quiet, spotlight in an empty room, a song in the silence, my dreams come into view.
Mariah, I want to begin by saying 3 words you will hear from me for the rest of our lives. I love you. I love you from the very depth of my soul. You truly have given that word an entirely different meaning since the moment you have walked into my life. As I look back and think how I'm so blessed to be standing here with you, my mind returns to where it all began. And that was with a prayer to God.
Came and changed everything.
And if I didn't have to put words to our love, you would finally see the fire in me and who I've become by being loved by you. I am not who I used to be. You would see that I am so fulfilled in this life with you and beside you. When I'm with you, I am whole, I am safe, I am brave, I am so loved. And I'm the best me because I'm with you.
Stories being written right now, pouring over me.
As I was thinking about this, I was thinking, marriage really is like football. Go figure, I'd equate the two together, right? But if you think about it, today, Chase, you started a team. And in fact, you hired a head coach. Right?
That is on camera.
Mariah, you are compassionate, you are strong, you are smart, you are beautiful, you are so much more. Mariah, my love, I vow to be your mountain mover, your one-man army who will always fight for you. I vow to be an amazing father. I vow to be your partner through thick and thin. I vow to be a man you so truly deserve. One who will love you unconditionally, forever and ever.
This is more than imagined. This is more than ordinary. That didn't really.
Now
Now they are no longer two, but one. Therefore, what God has joined together, let no man separate. Chase, you may now kiss your bride.
I'll start off with Mariah. I was hoping to be the best looking person in the room tonight, but dang it, you took that one from me. But second place ain't too bad, I guess. Mariah, we welcome you into this family with loving arms, and it brings me so much joy to watch you two grow. You make my brother the happiest man on this planet, and for that I truly thank you. Chase, you've led a life worth following, and I, as well as many others, admire you along the way. You have such a genuine and caring heart. You take pride in other people's success, and your heart breaks for others that are struggling. You have a compassion in your heart that I have not seen in anyone else.
With this ring,
I seal my promise.
to be your faithful
I'm loving partner,
as God is my witness.
as God is my witness.